In this video, we're going to study multiple linear regression in R. As you can see at the bottom of the screen, this is an educational video only and no professional advice is included within it. Okay, so let's go into RStudio. So the first step within the video is we need to load the corresponding package. Therefore, step 1, which is package. And for this, we'll be using a library function, and within parentheses, we have the name of the package. So in this case, we'll be using AER package for the data. To run this code line at any part of it, we go ahead and click run or Ctrl Enter on the keyboard. So then we continue with step number 2, which is going to be data. For data, we'll be using data function, and within parentheses, we are going to select house prices object. This house prices object is included within AER package. So again, to run the code line, we can either press run or Ctrl Enter on the keyboard, which is equivalent. As we can see, this creates the house prices object as a data frame within the global environment. And if we click on the spreadsheet kind of icon, this opens the data for us. And in this video, we're only going to focus on the first 3 columns of data of price, lot size, and bedrooms. If you want to read the full documentation on this house prices object, you can go into the Help tab and search for the name of the object, which is house prices. There we are. We select it and we see the full documentation. So then we can continue with step number 3, which is the model. Before coding the model, we're going to write its equation, also commented, which is hat price equals to hat beta 0 plus hat beta 1 multiplied by lot size plus, and at the following row, again, comment, hat beta 2 multiplied by bedrooms. So we can see that we have several hats here, and that's because they are estimates. Therefore, this equation reads as follows. The estimated price, which is equal to the estimated beta 0 or constant coefficient, plus the estimated beta 1 or partial regression coefficient multiplied by lot size, plus the estimated beta 2 partial regression coefficient multiplied by bedrooms. So then we can continue with coding the model. For this, we're going to create an object named MLR, which stands for multiple linear regression, equals to LM function, and within it the following parameters. The first of this, which is formula, equals to price, and with this special character means explained by lot size plus bedrooms, comma, data equals to that house prices object we created above. So to run this code line, we go ahead and press Ctrl Enter on the keyboard directly. If you have any questions regarding this LM function, you can either search for its name right here, or within the console you input $LM and without parentheses and press Enter on the keyboard. And as you can see, that will open the documentation right here within the Help tab. There we are, LM function. So to print the coefficients, we can do 3 things. We can either select the object name LR and press run or Ctrl Enter on the keyboard. We can also input here MLR and press Ctrl Enter on the keyboard or run button. As we can see here within the console, that prints the coefficient estimates. Or we can go directly into the console and input MLR, enter on the keyboard. So there we have the coefficients. The first of this, the one with the intercept, is the estimated beta 0 or constant coefficient, and that's the estimated price when both lot size and bedrooms are equal to 0. Then we have the estimated lot size coefficient, that's the estimated beta 1 partial regression coefficient, and that's the estimated change in price when lot size changes in 1 unit while keeping bedrooms constant. And last, we have the estimated bedrooms coefficient, which is the estimated beta 2 partial regression coefficient, and that's the estimated change in price when bedroom changes in one unit while keeping lot size constant. Okay, so with this we finish the code, so we can go ahead and save the file. And also with this we finish this video. Thank you for watching.